All you'll need to remove your braided lock extensions is a hair tie or some hair clips. Using those, we're going to pin the hair back out the way, creating our working space. To begin, we're going to remove the fixing rubber band from the extension. Using your fingers, carefully prise away one side of the rubber band. With this part of the rubber band stretched, you can feed the lock back through the loop. Repeat this process as many times as needed until you can remove the rubber band completely. Once the rubber band is removed, place it to one side for later use. You'll now notice that the hair is free to be unbraided. The hair should fall away fairly easy, so shouldn't need much force. When unpicking the braid, focus on one layer at a time. If you can ensure that each hair from that layer is completely clear before moving on to the next layer, you'll prevent it from knotting up. Repeat this process working from the bottom of the braid up towards the root, layer by layer. While unpicking the braid, you may find that some layers are particularly stubborn. Give a little bit of extra time to that layer so you can prevent any breakage to the hair. And with braiding being a method for achieving curls for straight hair, you'll notice that by removing your locks, you've got gorgeous curls. Applying raw aloe vera at this stage will help the hair replenish some of its missing moisture. This is particularly important if the extensions have been left in for an extended period of time, especially where new growth happens. If you're replacing the extension with new dreadlock creation, you can use your rubber band at this stage to maintain the section. Alternatively, if you're simply removing the extensions, shampoo and condition to conclude your uninstallation.